Honestly, this is the most simplest, easiest, and most delicious cake in the world right now. It's very soft and spongy. I'm going to show you how I made this cake. It's so simple to make. You don't need to stress yourself, you don't need to cream or do a whole lot of work. So to make this easiest and amazing cake, all you need to do is to measure out 125 grams all-purpose flour or cake flour, whichever one you want to use. And to that, you add in 100 grams of granulated sugar. Then to this sugar, you'll be adding 1/4 cup or 45 grams of vegetable oil. So you can use any good vegetable oil of your choice. It's all left for you. So once you have added your vegetable oil, you go ahead and use a spatula or a fork or a spoon and mix everything very well. So you're going to mix this to the extent that all the flour will be combined with the vegetable oil very well. Next, you will be adding in extra 1/8 cup of vegetable oil or about 23 grams of vegetable oil. So you mix everything thoroughly. Make sure that everything is combined just as you see in the video. After mixing the flour with the vegetable oil, you break in 3 medium-sized eggs. Each egg should weigh at least about 55 to 60 grams each. So you break in these eggs into the flour that you've mixed with the vegetable oil. Then you go ahead and mix everything very well. Once everything is thoroughly combined, you add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. After mixing everything thoroughly, then you add in 1/4 cup of liquid milk, or you can use liquid yogurt, anyone you want to use. Just add it and make sure you combine everything very well. Lastly, you add in half tablespoon of baking powder. Make sure you mix this very well. Like I said before, and I always say, don't just add in your baking powder and leave it that way, because you may leave it and it's going to pack on one side of your batter, and when you bake your cake, it's going to give your cake a bitter taste. So make sure that you mix or you whisk your baking powder thoroughly into the batter. And once that is done, you transfer this into a greased 6-inch pan lined with a baking paper. So transfer your batter into this 6 inches pan, but ensure that your oven is heating up already. Okay, you have to preheat your oven at 180 degrees for at least 10 to 15 minutes before you're going to cook your batter into the oven. And finally, I baked this cake in my preheated oven at 180 degrees C for 50 minutes. You can also bake at 150 degrees C for 80 to 90 minutes, and your cake will come out very fluffy and also moist, just as you see in the video. And once your cake is done, you transfer on a cooling rack and let it cool down completely. And once the cake is completely cool, you can go ahead, slice the cake, enjoy your cake. This cake can also go for birthday cakes, party cakes, and all. So you can double the recipe, triple the recipe, and it will also come out fine, fluffy, and delicious. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and also share this video to reach out to others. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.